Parents, welcome to teaching kids how to use the words good and well, two often confused words. Good is used as an adjective, as in the sentence, she is a good gymnast, and well is used mostly as an adverb, as in the sentence, she performed well on the vault. Review with kids that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Good is an adjective, and good describes the noun gymnast in the sentence, she is a good gymnast. Remind kids that an adverb is a word that describes a verb. Well is an adverb. Well describes the verb performed in the sentence, she performed well on the vault. In our first practice page, have kids circle the noun that good describes in each of the sentences in the first column. Then have kids circle the verb that well describes in each sentence in the second column. In the first sentence, Rascal is a good dog. Good is the adjective and it describes the noun dog. In the sentence, Mandy is a good baker. The adjective good describes the noun baker. In the third sentence, they are good friends. The adjective good describes the noun friends. And in the last sentence, the adjective good describes the noun team. The finished first column should look like this. Now have kids complete the second column. In the sentence, Rascal is well behaved. Well is the adverb that describes the verb behaved. In the sentence, Mandy bakes well. Well is the adverb and it describes the verb bakes. In the sentence, we know each other well. Well is the adverb that describes the verb know. In the sentence, they play well together. Well is the adverb that describes the verb play. This is the completed example. Now have kids fill in good or well to complete each sentence. And this is a completed example. Now have kids write the correct word, good or well, to complete each sentence and circle the noun or verb it describes. This is a completed example. He rides his bike well. Well is an adverb that describes the verb rides. Our school lunch was good today. Good is an adjective that describes the noun lunch. We have a good doctor. Good is the adjective that describes the noun doctor. These are good cookies. Again, good is an adjective that describes the noun cookies. He plays the drums well. Well is an adverb that describes the verb plays. And we are good readers. Good is an adjective that describes the noun readers. Now have kids choose the correct noun or verb to complete each sentence. The first sentence ends in the adverb well, so a verb is needed to complete the sentence. The verb choices are catches, read, swims. Have kids read the sentence using the verb catches. He catches the ball well. This sentence makes sense and sounds correct. Now have kids try the next two choices. He read the ball well. That does not make sense. And he swims the ball well. That does not make sense. The correct answer is he catches the ball well. Well is an adverb that describes the verb catches. In this sentence, we have the adjective good, so we need to find a noun to complete the sentence. Our choices are friends, painter, or fair. Now have kids try each noun in a sentence. This is a good friends. That doesn't sound right. This is a good painter. That sounds like a correct sentence, but it doesn't match our picture. This is a good fair. Yes, this is a good fair is a correct sentence. The adjective good describes fair and it matches the picture. Our next sentence ends in well, an adverb that needs to describe a verb. Our choices are catches, read, swims. And our sentences are they catches well, does not make sense. They read well, makes sense and matches the picture. Or they swims well, that does not make sense. The correct answer is they read well. Our sentence has the adjective good, and we need to find the correct noun. Friends, painter, or fair. Let's look at the sentences. He is a good friend. He is a good painter. He is a good fair. The correct answer is painter. The sentence, he is a good painter, is the correct sentence and matches the picture. Our next sentence ends in well, an adverb, which will need to describe a verb. Our choices are catches, read, and swims. The correct sentence that matches the picture is the duck swims well. The adjective good is in our sentence and we need to find the correct noun. Friends, painter, or fair. The sentences are they are good friends, they are good painter, they are good fair. The sentence they are good friends is correct. This is the completed example. This is a great resource chart for kids to have and to refer to when having to make the decision of when to use the word adjective good or the word adverb well. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link for all the teaching templates in the description section.